Hi guys, this is Zsolt. In today's video we are going to replace the 12 volts battery in the Kona Electric. There's the new one. It's an Excite Premium 47 ampere hours, and I'm going to remove the old one that's from the factory. That's like a 3 years old battery. I have another video about that, how it went kaput. I'm not sure if that video was released before this one or is going to be released after this one, but either way you will be able to find it on the channel at some point. Without any further ado, I just wanted to mention that you need a number or size 10 and a size 12 wrench to be able to remove the old battery and install the new one. Let's roll. Yeah, I've got the cover for the negative as well, but during one of the regular or scheduled maintenance works, one of the mechanics broke it, and I still need to glue this little pin back. Okay, that was it about the battery replacement. Just to keep in mind, when you remove the old battery and you put a new one in, the settings for the recuperation are going back to the factory default, so you need to set it up again if you had it on a different setting other than the factory default. And also the trip computer goes to 0 and the display goes to another state. So if you are keeping the trip computer on most of the time or all the time, then you need to just switch back to that screen. Other than that, I'm going to put this old battery on the charger just for the sake of fun, and in another video we are going to check the health or the status of that battery. Anyhow, this concludes this video. If you liked it, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and press the notification bell so you're not going to miss any of my upcoming videos. I'd like to say a big thank you for your time and catch you on the next one. Bye bye.